Let's look at files and folders, and I'm going to start by comparing it to a house. You have a house, big house with lots of things in it. In this beautiful house that you have, you've got different spaces. And these spaces, your rooms, contain things. There are things in all of the rooms. Maybe spatulas in the kitchen, pillows in the bedroom, pencils in the office. All of the rooms contain things, things that you use. And on your computer, you also have a lot of things. And those things are called files. Files are information, different types of information. That speech that you typed up in Word and saved it on your computer, that's a file. That picture from your phone that you took of a new location that you pulled down to your computer is a file. That brochure that you downloaded from your email so you can look at it later, that's a file. And files are all contained in folders. We're going to think of the things in the house as files and the rooms of the house as folders. In your rooms, you probably have more things that hold other things. Take a dresser, for instance. That's a thing in the bedroom, but within the dresser, I can put other items and separate them to keep them organized. When we talk about the computer, those will be your subfolders. So this is File Explorer. This is the window to your computer. Think of File Explorer as a map to all of the places on your computer. This map of File Explorer will show you all of the rooms, the folders, and it will even show you what's inside of the rooms, the files. Let's look at that. To open it, start here on the bottom on this area that's called the task bar. A dark bar across the bottom of your computer screen. And we will click on the icon that looks like a folder. If you hold your mouse over it for about 2 seconds, you'll even get the hint card that tells you the name of this particular application, File Explorer. This section is kind of like the map to your computer. It's showing you the different rooms or folders. This side of File Explorer is your display section. This is like walking into a room and looking around and just looking at what everything is in the room. This display section will show you all of the files and folders that are in whatever you have selected, highlighted on the left side. In this case, Quick Access on the left side and the navigation pane is highlighted. And so on the right side, it is showing us everything that is in that section of your computer. This space is called the address bar. Think of that as if there was a label or a sign on the door. The sign on the door is telling you what this room is, what this room is called. When you click on a folder on the left in the navigation pane, that's the folder you have selected. That's the folder you want to know more about. On the right, File Explorer shows you what is in that folder. And the address bar is just additional information. It is giving you the sequence or the hierarchy of where this folder is. This is all just to give you tools to help you to be able to find your files, navigate this file system, and actually create some order. We will look at this more in another video, really using File Explorer to manage your information.